Choose Your Boat is the #1 guided boat tour site in the world. We offer a very large selection of boat and yacht tours from the very best brands. With Choose Your Boat, you're sure to find the boat that meets your needs. Visit chooseyourboat.com, compare, and then select your preferred boats to see the online tours. From your smartphone, your iPhone, your tablet, or computer, or better yet, with a virtual reality headset, you can have a look around and see things as if you were there. You can turn in any direction and take advantage of the 360-degree views. Welcome aboard! When you embark on a Choose Your Boat guided tour, the things you'll discover about your selection of boats includes what type of sailing or cruising they're designed for, the different exterior spaces, the sail options, and the technical equipment or motorization. You can have a look around and get a good feeling for the real spaces offered on board. Have you been charmed by one or several of the boats you've toured on Choose Your Boat? Would you like to know more? We can assist you in your research until you find the boat that's just right for you. See you soon on chooseyourboat.com, and happy sailing!